Welcome back, Trivia Champions. It's Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Keep your eyes open. A ghost fact could appear at any time. What is the primary ingredient in grits, a staple in Southern cuisine? Nailed it, corn. Which of these coffee cocktails is traditionally made with coffee liqueur, vodka, and espresso? Boom! Correct. Espresso martini. Which of these popular vegetarian cookbooks, known for its approachable recipes and focus on whole foods, was first published in 1971 and remains a staple in many kitchens? Boom. Correct. Moosewood Cookbook. In what year was the washoku tradition of Japanese cuisine added to UNESCO's list of Intangible Cultural Heritage? That's right, 2013. What food preservation technique, crucial to early space travel and military rations, was pioneered by Nicolas Appert? Nailed it, canning. Which of these regional American food items experienced a surge in popularity amongst foodies in the late 2000s and early 2010s, often featuring artisanal versions? Correct. Nashville hot chicken. Which French cooking technique involves browning meat in fat and then braising it slowly in liquid? Correct. Braising. Which popular Thanksgiving side dish often features marshmallows baked on top? That's right, sweet potato casserole. Which of the following fermented foods is traditionally made from glutinous rice and is a staple in many Asian cuisines? Correct, rice wine. Why is it important to let baked goods cool completely before frosting them? Correct, to prevent the frosting from melting. Challenge complete. Follow for famous landmarks tomorrow.